Alright folks, here we are. Big Construction Services, Technology Tire, April 2nd, Wednesday. As you can see, the ring's in there. Our curtain is pretty much down. We've been all the way around the ring, pulling everything in, locking it off so it lines up with our layout on the floor. That involved the process of, like I said yesterday, bringing them in where they need to be with the plumb bobs. And you can perhaps tell how we have it braced off with the angle. We actually have pieces running back, flat bar, 3/8 by 1 inch flat bar at various lengths that run around the angle, tie the ring off, and hold it into place. So like I said, it's a lengthy process with the layout and the fit up. Just a little bit more to it than doing a beam or a column. Right here is where we'll actually be starting our first sweep. We have Keegan bringing the sweeps in right now. Bird prepping the forklift. There's another thing, you know, we have a jib pole that we have to adjust and readjust. We have it pretty much straight up right now for lifting this ring up to where it needs to be. And now we'll lower it back down towards more of a 45-degree angle. And that'll get us our sweeps in here. We'll bring them in with the crane, and as we bring them in, we'll bring them back over here and set them up. So right here will be our first one going up. I'll actually pull these up and get them lined up on the mark. Transfer my marks up top. Once I get my marks transferred up top, we'll set a sweep. Start here and work our way around. For the simple fact that back here in the back where they stack on top of each other, you can't just go in any random order you want to. It kind of has to be a process. So we start out over here where we have just a little bit of a step in and work our way around to where we're pretty much straight up. You can see right here we have to your right you have a bottom G, which is actually the top of F. And then right here you will have the top of G, which will be the bottom of H. And they're pretty much right there on top of each other. And here it's even more so on top of each other. Kind of get a scope of the anchoring we've had to do, moving things in as the ring steps in and moving columns and stuff around. Several hundred anchors have been used so far. Like I said, each plate gets 2 anchors. We even have to move the plates out of the way here just to set one. Once we have this one set, then we can actually come back and put this plate in right here for the bottom. But each plate has 2 anchors. And each column has 3. So every time we do a jig floor, we end up using 48 anchors just for the plates alone. Alright, there's your next update. We'll get back with you when we get some sweeps in the air. Like I said, Keegan's bringing the sweeps in now. We'll bring these sweeps in. Certain order they got to come in. Keegan's lining all that up right now. We'll get back with you this afternoon, perhaps in the morning, if not this afternoon. Everybody have a great day. God knows we are.